Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore timelines in Wrike schedule view, full guide step by step clearly. To restore timelines in the Wrike schedule view, begin by logging into your Wrike account. Navigate to the specific project or folder where you want to restore the timeline. Locate the schedule view option on the left sidebar and click on it. In the schedule view, look for the timeline panel at the top of the screen. If the timeline is not visible, check the upper right corner of the schedule view. Click on the View drop-down menu. From the drop-down options, select Show Timeline. This should immediately reveal the timeline. If needed, adjust the timeline settings by clicking on the gear icon next to the timeline view. In the Settings menu, you can customize the display to suit your preferences. Make sure your tasks are appropriately assigned dates to reflect in the timeline. To check assigned dates, go back to the task list and ensure each task has a start and due date. Once your tasks are dated correctly, revisit the schedule view to see the updated timeline. For further refinements, use dragging to adjust task durations directly on the timeline. You can also create dependencies between tasks by linking them through the timeline. Confirm the relationships by hovering over the connections between tasks. If the timeline still does not appear, try refreshing your browser. This often resolves any display issues. Finally, save any changes made to the timeline settings. Your restored timeline should now be fully functional and visible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.